Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will have to show you the way how you can share the CapCut project on iPhone. Open your CapCut applications right away. Wait until it's perfectly open, and the next you just need to decide which project that you want to share, and then tap into this three small dot on the project that you want to share, and that could be access some option, and just go upload to space first. And now just need to go open the folder where you want to place it, and just go tap upload, and then the uploading process will be running symbolized by the moving arrows on the space here, and then you just need to tap on it. The next is just take a look on this upper side. Right here, there could be a plus button here, so you just need to tap on the plus button and invite your friend by copy the link and share this link into your friends through every social media that you want to have communicate with, and you're done. So that's for a tutorial how the way you can share the project with a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial helping you, and if you still have some questions, just drop me in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial.